The Tri-Institutional Therapeutics Discovery Institute, TDI, is an exciting partnership between three world-class research institutions: Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, the Rockefeller University, and Weill Cornell Medicine, and our industry collaborator, Takeda Pharmaceuticals. TDI was founded to address a major roadblock in drug development. The first step in developing a new drug is the discovery of a mechanism that is responsible for the onset of disease. The next step is to develop a drug that selectively blocks that mechanism. Too many discoveries within academic institutions are slowed down by a lack of money or infrastructure to access the key experiments that will show whether or not a new target is relevant for disease initiation. At TDI, we provide industry-quality drug development support for each project in our portfolio. We leverage the resources of our three institutions, our industry partner Takeda Pharmaceuticals, and a global network of collaborators to help our academic partners rapidly advance their groundbreaking discoveries along the path from bench to bedside.
The TDI has already made a big impact at the Rockefeller University by providing an opportunity for our scientists to extend their discoveries beyond what they normally study, which are the biological mechanisms, to starting to make molecules that could become drug substances.
For the first time, our scientists feel they have the opportunity to go from discovering a new scientific or biological principle to the opportunity to testing whether that idea could be used for effective treatment to improve human health.
One of the most important impacts it's made has been on fostering the entrepreneurial spirit. Partnerships between the private sector and academia are really marriages made in heaven. It allows us to translate all these wonderful basic discoveries we're making in the laboratory into new therapeutics for patients.
I think the key difference that TDI can make is on the cost and time that is required to get a proof of concept study on a novel approach to impacting health. We have the scale and scope of a major pharmaceutical company without the burden of all the fixed costs and infrastructure.
The Institute will have a major impact on New York. It's generating a steady stream of drug-like substances that can form the basis for new companies that can be seeded in the New York area. And there's big interest in capturing those assets and making sure that we develop them here in New York.
It goes almost without saying that founding new companies, translating discoveries from bench to bedside is an engine for economic growth. The return on investment from every dollar that we spend in research is about sevenfold.
I think that the TDI is going to have a major impact on the biotechnology community in New York, but not just in New York, I think in the world. I think that this is going to be a model for the way industry and academic centers will work going forward.
Try TDI. Encourage, empower, leverage.